Easy and fast. The best recipe for dinner. Start by putting boiling water on 160 g of pasta in a colander. It's like giving our beloved pasta a luxurious bath. Meanwhile, take a bowl and break 2 units of eggs. Now, it's time to mix the magic. Add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, a pinch of paprika and a drizzle of olive oil. Stir everything with enthusiasm. You are creating a masterpiece. With the pasta already cooked, it's time to put everything together. Add it to the bowl and mix well with the sauce. The smell already begins to fill your kitchen and will make everyone curious. Heat a frying pan with a good drizzle of olive oil. When the olive oil starts to dance, add the pasta and give it organized. Let cook for 3 minutes. Prepare for the transformation. After 3 minutes, turn the noodles over as if you were performing a prize-worthy performance. Add a little more olive oil, 50 g of mortadella and 50 g of mozzarella cheese. Let cook until the cheese melts and create a creamy layer of happiness. To give that special touch, finish with chives and sesame leaves to taste. Et voila! Our pasta meal is ready to shine at the table. If you loved this recipe, don't forget to like it and follow our page for more amazing tips. Bon appetit and see you next time.